Many consumer products are sold in printed carton packaging. It is the job of Carton Cad operators to design this packaging to meet the customer's functional requirements and specifications. They start each job by reviewing the related client brief or instructions. They interpret design requirements and translate these into folding carton designs using computer-aided design or CAD software. Operators can design products from scratch. Alternatively, they can choose the design template best suited for the job and then proceed by making the necessary adjustments. In order for a flat carton board to be transformed into packaging, it must be cut and folded and then glued and/or secured in some way. The folding carton designs are also called die traces. These illustrate all cutting, creasing, and perforating rules of the carton, as well as the areas that are needed for flaps, overlaps, and locks. Carton Cad operators differentiate between the cutting rule, which will become the cutout shape of the carton, and the creasing rule, which will become the product to be folded into a three-dimensional shape. Some products also require the inclusion of a perforated rule that allows sections to be easily torn off or removed at a later stage. Once they are happy that the die traces meet all the required dimensions and functionality specifications, they use a digital cutting and creasing machine to create a sample carton. Part of their job is loading and setting up this machine and making necessary adjustments during operation to ensure a perfectly cut and creased sample. Once cut, they manually glue and assemble sample cartons for customer approval. In the process, they check to make sure that all overlaps and locks function as designed and that the intended product fits within the carton dimensions. Carton Cad operators work with clients by email, telephonically, or in person to finalize carton designs. The outputs of their work are approved die traces. Clients, who are generally other printing companies, use these to accurately make up and position the design elements on the folding carton. This job requires an interest in computer-aided design, a good three-dimensional visual ability, and technical skills. Patience and attention to detail are also important qualities needed to work with customers in the process of perfecting designs. While Carton Cad operators may work in the background, the packaging and other carton products they design are in the foreground of every consumer's life.